At ngayon naman, Leilyn Caragay ay pumunta sa Museyong Pambata sa ating Cultural Review. Panoorin natin ito.
Good morning mga boss! Alam niyo ba na ang Museyong Pambata ang kauna-unahang hands-on discovery museum na para sa mga bata at matanda mula edad 5 hanggang 75. At mapalad ako ngayong araw dahil makakapanayam ko si Dr. Lynn Yuson, ang kapatid na tanyag na broadcaster na si Ginang Cheche Lynn Lazaro. Tara at libutin natin ang museo. So Doktora, 20 years na po ang Museyong Pambata. Paano po ito nagsimula?
Years back, dinala ko yung mga anak ko sa Boston Children's Museum. No? First time we saw na it's not yung museum na with photo pictures, but where children can pick up things and look at different colors. It was fun. Children were running around. And me, I was so excited. And because I was in preschool education, I knew that this was really good. Sabi ko, sana may ganito sa Philippines. But it really never happened until 12 years from that time. And this was in 1993. We also needed a building, and that time, this building here, we found out, is owned by the City of Manila. Sabi ko, this is perfect, no? To be a museum. So, we approached, at the time, Mayor Fred Lim, first term niya. And so he said, sure, why not? No? Because he believed in education, especially for the poor children. Yun. After 1 year, 1994, December, we opened to the public.
It's very interactive po. Ano-ano po ba ang makikita dito sa Museyong Pambata?
Okay, so yung theme rooms na pinili namin yung Old Manila kasi nandito kami sa Manila, no, or Maynila noon. So makikita mo may tranvia dyan, may mga heroes of the Spanish Revolution, may mga terno, ganon. They can try on different costumes. And then the next biggest room is about environment. So may under the sea, and we have a herbal garden. Bago lang yan, mga 2-3 years ago. Yes. And then we have the Children in the Global Village. Ito yung Bata sa Mundo. Ito lang ang only room na may mga donations ng mga dolls and games for children. So sa taas, you have Paglaki Ko, which is career options. No, we change this mga every 3-4 years. Tapos we have a room which is I Love My Planet Earth, tungkol sa climate change. So the children will be more aware how to take care of our planet Earth, mga reuse, recycle. Doon meron rin kaming moon rock, straight from the moon. That was brought by President Clinton when he came, before. And then we have the Katawan Ko. You enter through a big mouth, or My Body Works, tungkol sa health. And the most favorite room of mga 3 to 7 years old is Pamilyang Bayan. Yung mga palengke. Oo, yun. Maganda doon. Madami mga social drama doon.
So ano pa po ba ang iba yung mga events this coming year or dito po sa taon na ito?
Meron kaming project. It's a book we named Imagine. Imagine 20 years back and 20 years forward. So in-interview namin yung mga former trustees and those people who have really been supportive of Museo Pambata and believe in the Filipino child. So, tinanong namin sa kanila, what was your childhood like? Or what do you want for Filipino children? Or what do you think Museo Pambata can go into? Ang very, very interesting yung mga kwento nila.
Anyayahan niyo po ang ating mga kababayan na pumunta dito sa Museyong Pambata.
Inimbita ko kayo pumunta dito sa Museo Pambata. We are open from Tuesdays to Saturdays 9 to 5 and Sundays 1 to 5. And for Manilans, you are free on Tuesdays and also 50% off any other day. Just show your ID. Ang dami hong makikita nyo sa Museo Pambata, especially for children 2 to 12 years old. Yan ang aming specialty, that age. Kasi that age is when they like to touch, hear, smell. Kulang na lang ho ang taste, no? Pero I hope that when they enter, they are open to the world. They're open to their country, to love their country more. So that you can come and visit us. Dito ho kami sa Rojas Boulevard, corner South Drive. Katabi ho namin ang US Embassy. So hindi kayo mawawala. Makikita nyo yung Children's Museum sa harapan at yung Sorbetes Cart.
Ang Museyong Pambata ay ang lugar na talagang magugustuhan mo ng mga bata at kahit matatanda. Ito ay tunay na nagbibigay kaalaman, kasiyahan at edukasyon. Happy 20 years Museyong Pambata, Leilyn Caragay para sa Cultural Review.